We'll guide you through how to fix a laptop not connecting to Wi-Fi. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because to fully use your computer and laptop, it needs to be connected to Wi-Fi. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. We're keeping this guide very broad because there are different ways this may be happening. For example, when we look down here, you can go and see my internet. I haven't got a connection. When you go and click here, you may go and find that the Wi-Fi option isn't showing here at all. Perhaps you're going and finding that it says you're connected, but in reality you're not, it's not properly working, or your Wi-Fi network isn't showing up. We're keeping this guide broad so you can follow the steps in this video to hopefully go and get the problem resolved and so you can start using the internet and Wi-Fi. So any further ado, let's get into this. So for the first fix, you actually want to go and click on the network symbol at the bottom here. And in here, what you can just try doing is turning on flight mode by clicking, wait a couple seconds, then we can turn it back off. This can just go and refresh the connections. So go and see if the options are available and see if the network is appearing. If you're still finding that it isn't, what we're going to do is you want to go down here and you want to go and press search. What you need to do here is you need to go and type in device manager. So you can go and type that in like so, and you want to go and open this up. Wait for it to load, it shouldn't go and take too long. Now in here, you want to go and locate network. So you want to go and find network adapters, as you can see here, and press the arrow to the left to expand it. And in here, you're going to go and find your wireless adapter here. It can be called different things. This is called the Realtek Wi-Fi here. Then what you want to do here is go and right click on it. When you right click on it and it goes and says, let me just prove to you, if it goes and says enable, what you need to do is go and enable it. So go and right click on it and press enable device. If it's currently enabled already because it says disable device like mine did, you can try going and disabling it and re-enabling it just to go and refresh it. And then you can go and see if these going to go and be working. You can try connecting there. If you find it's not showing this list here, what you can try doing is pressing action and you can go and press scan for hardware changes. I'll go and scan, hopefully it'll then go and appear. If it still doesn't appear, don't worry. Keep watching, we'll show you some different fixes further forward. If you're finding it's not showing this list here, don't worry, keep watching. If it is showing but it's still not working, let's continue with the next step. What you want to do is come to the bottom and press search. You want to go and type in services like so and open this up. Now in here, you want to go and scroll down and we're looking for an option which is WLAN. Now this is alphabetical, so we can come all the way down to W and let me go and find it. What you're looking for is this one here. So WLAN auto config. You want to then go and double click on it. You want to make sure the startup type is set to automatic and that it's currently running. You can press start if needed, then press apply and okay. If you made any changes there, you can try then going and seeing if you can go and connect. Hopefully you can. Now for the next fix, you want to come and press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in CMD, command prompt. And you want to either go and right click on it and press run as administrator, or you can press it over to the right, press yes, and now it's going to go and be running. Now there are some different things we can go and run in here, so make sure you go and watch this carefully. First of all, you want to go and type in IP config like so, space, /release. Then you can go and press enter. Next, go and type in IP config space /renew. Go and press enter there. Next, you can go and type in it again, IP config /flush DNS like so. Next, you want to go and type in net sh space winsock space reset. Then you can go and press enter. Let that go and complete. Now we've gone and run that. Some of these may say it wasn't performed, and that's going to go and depend on your scenario because I'm not currently connected, but if you were, they would go and then run. After you've run that, you want to then come to the bottom of your computer and you want to go and press on the Windows Start button. In here, you then want to go and find settings. Go over to the left and you want to go and find network and internet. And you then want to go and scroll down and go and find advanced network settings. Then in here, you can go and scroll down and you want to find the option for network reset. So what we can do is go and run this. This is going to go and remove and then reinstall all network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to go and reinstall other networking software afterwards, like VPNs or virtual switches. So your PC is going to go and be restarted. You would have noted back in this CMD, it said a restart needs to be done to go and confirm this and finalize it. So this is a great option. So you can press reset now and you can then go and confirm your decision. This will go and forget all your Wi-Fi networks, but of course, if you're unable to connect them, it doesn't matter. So go and press yes, and that will then go and complete. Now, when it goes and restarts, you can try connecting again. So you can go and press on the networks in the bottom right. Your Wi-Fi will hopefully be appearing here. Of course, make sure it's switched on and press the arrow to the right. Find your network and click on it, and then we can press connect. Enter in the password. Just do that now. Then we can go and press enter or next, and hopefully now we're going to go and connect, and it's now going to go and be working. If you still can't, next what we're going to do is go and press the start button, and you want to come to your settings. Wait for this to load, and at the top here you can press find a setting, and you can go and type in troubleshoot, and you want to come to troubleshoot settings. Then you can find other troubleshooters, and you can go and find network and internet. You can then go and press run to the right, and you can go and let this run through. And if there's a problem, hopefully this will be able to go and fix it. If you find that it's still not working, you should try restarting your Wi-Fi router in case that's the problem, and try testing with other devices, as it could be a problem with the router and not with the laptop itself. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.